haul. They got them all on sale. Well, you just saved $98 and earned $30 in Kohl's cash. How's that make you feel?
You building it? Make it big. Good job. Yay! Good job. Does it go in there? Yay. What goes in the bucket? What you putting in the bucket? Those? Okay. We'll find some more of them. Here's one. Here's one. Oops, you dumped them. Build your castle back. Can you build with your blocks? Look, go over there and build with your blocks. Do these. Add some more to it.
I need you to work on a Cheeto command. Introduce the X1 platform, your entertainment operating system. Only for extended. Imagine without any financial worries. Or owning your
Obsessive compulsive much?